Hi everybody, I am Prasad. Now our topic is unions. This is same like structures. Very important. This is also union is an user-defined data type in C programming language. It is collection of variables of different data types in the same memory location. This is the keyword node point. Same memory location it will be stored, whereas structure will be stored in different memory location. We can define a union with many members, but at a given point of time only one member can contain a value, right? In the output there will be some difference will be there. If you do practically you can understand. If it is given essay marks question, write more points. Short marks question, just a definition and a generic syntax and a example syntax and a small program. It means a single variable same memory location can be used to store multiple type of data like structures. Struct within bracket union is a keyword, is a user defined data type. In union all members share the same memory location. With a diagram I have shown here, right side. Struct ABC with a cursor I am showing now. Struct ABC, some memory location 1 to 8 locations have taken. See, for 4 values int a is taken, for another value 5th value int b is taken. Here first 4 values int a is taken, int b is included in that. That's what here is saying. Union is a one user defined data type. In union all members share the same memory location. Here struct example, struct employee char a into I float e1. Same like union also will be declared in same way. Here a program I have written. Very simple. Hash include str.h, hash include conio.h, hash include string. For using string functions we need to use string header file. Union employee int id employee id, float his salary, char his name and semicolon. Or you can mention like this also. Void main union employee e is our reference. E with e we have declared. Clear screen. E dot id equal to 1. Printf e dot id. Then e dot salary, some number you can mention, but that in floats. Some anything you can mention, 85,550 pies something float number. Print e dot salary percentage f backward slash n e dot salary. This will be printed here. And strcpy string copy e dot name some xyz, name is some xyz, e dot name percentage s, e name will be printed here, get ch. The output is e dot id is 1, his salary is 1, e dot salary is some rupees some paisa and e name xyz. This will be printed here. To access any member of the union we can use member access operator dot. See, this dot is there, e dot id. The member access operator dot is code as period between the union variable or name union member that we wish to access. The keyword union is the defined variable of union type. See here, union is the keyword, right? So this is for union. And if it's given difference between union and structure, you write a previous video and this video, right? If you have any doubts you can WhatsApp me or you can call me. I will give you my number. This is my cell number 9849181923. If you want any study material, any other subject in computer science, or if you want this C programming lab manual or theoretical program lab manual also, I will give you notes. And if you have any doubts you can WhatsApp me. Prepare well because exams are very near. I am shooting like this. All the best for your exams.